Let's do that one.
You want to do that one?
Mm-hmm. Why does it lamp be lamp?
Okay, what are you talking about? Where?
A lamp be lamp.
Where does it say that? You can point at it. It's over here too.
Why does it say C lamp A? Why does it say lamp B lamp C lamp?
Oh. This is a circuit diagram, so it's got different symbols. What is this one? What is that one?
Battery.
That's right. Let's try a more complicated one and see what we get. Take a look at this one. Let's see what we got here. Let me get rid of that. Let's see. What do you think that is?
A 9-volt battery.
Wow. Huh. What do you think this is based on the symbol?
A diode.
And what do you think it might be an LED?
Yeah.
Which is a light emitting diode?
Mm-hmm.
You know why I say that? Because what does it say there?
Red.
That's right. And then what is this symbol with the zigzag lines there?
A resistor.
And what does that say?
1,000.
What does it say?
100,000 ohms.
Yeah, it doesn't say ohms, does it?
Mm-mm.
But why do you know it's ohms?
Because it says R, which is resistance.
That makes sense.
When it also resist.
That makes a lot of sense.
Look, it says.
Oh, let's go let Suki in real quick. Can you go let her in? It's starting to rain. Can you open that door for her? Can you just run over and open that door for her? Let her in. It's starting to rain. Call her. All right, shut that door, bud. I know. Yeah. All right, you want to look at more of this circuit stuff?
Tell me what it is. Tell me what the circuit has.
Ask more questions.
What is that?
I don't know exactly what that is, but I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
See this thing here? What do you think that is?
A switch stuff.
Definitely a switch? Yeah, you're right. I would say you're right. And plus it has that symbol. Plus, what does it say there? SW. What do you think that means?
What?
Switch. Because the first two letters of switch are SW. As you know. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, look at this thing. Looks pretty cool. Oh, that's, hold on, wait, where'd it go? Oh. Here, I'm gonna put it in your lap.
What is this?
So I can hold it with the camera.
What is this?
It's just like some different symbols for the circuit diagram. What does that one say?
Diode.
What does that one say?
Capacitor.
What does this one say?
Resistor. What does that one say?
Now that's the one I don't think you know.
Conductor.
Close. It says inductor. See the I-N?
Inductor.
And then what does this word say?
Voltage.
That's right. It says AC voltage source. Let's see. Let's see what else there is. So which one do you want to do?
That one.
That one?
Mm-hmm. Where's that? Where's all this?
Well, okay. I'm just going to ask you questions based on what you already know.
Well,
What do you think that part is?
The negative side.
The what?
Positive side.
Side of what?
Battery pack.
Positive side of the battery? Why do you say that? What makes you think it might be a battery?
Because it says 9 volt.
That's right. Do you see any resistors? What do you think might be resistors? What does that say?
R8.
That makes sense.
But it doesn't look the symbol.
Yeah, the symbol looks different, but I think it's just a different type of
all
diagram.
these P's.
I don't know what those P's are. Actually, I think I know it's called a Potentiometer, maybe. I'm not sure. I'd have to look up. But what do you think these C's are?
Capacitors.
Yeah.
C1, C2, C3,
Yeah.
C4,
Yeah.
C5,
Yeah. What do you think these T's are?
T2. I think it's a transformer. Wait, the X2.
Hold on. Let's look at it for a moment.
Mm-hmm.
Look at those very carefully. I know it says T, which could be transformer, but look at the symbol very carefully. What do you think it is based on that symbol?
I think it's a transistor.
That is what it is.
But,
Transistor.
but with T3.
See, because what it is this electricity comes in here, and then if it gets voltage here, it lets it continue. That's how a transistor works. What were you asking?
Was R6?
Yeah, that's just a bunch of different resistors. What does this say over here? Do you know what that word is?
Where are there a bunch of P's?
I don't know because I don't know anything about this particular circuit, but I'm thinking maybe those are like keys or something that you would press. Because it says, what does this say?
Electronic.
Say it again?
Organ circuit.
Say it again?
Electronic.
Uh-huh.
Organ circuit.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
And we've never seen this before, have we? We just looked it up randomly, didn't we?
Wait, R10?
Where?
There.
Oh, yeah. And what does that say? To what?
2 amps.
To amp, yeah.
2 amp.
Do you know that word?
Calculator.
No, look at it carefully.
Calendar.
Look at it very carefully.
Calendar. I don't know. I don't know that word.
No? Clarinet.
Clarinet.
Yeah. What about this word here?
Phone.
Do you know that word?
No.
Violin.
Phone.
Let's look. Let's see what else we got.
That's
the same one.
I want to show. I want to tell you all the components.
Okay, I was just going to see what those P's are. The trimmers. P1, but it's not saying what that means. Well, let me just see. Does it tell us what those P's are? Because I was just guessing based on context. I don't actually know. What do you want to look at?
What components?
That's the same diagram. Want to try another one?
Let's try this one.
Okay, that's the same one, though. But you know what that's really interesting right now? What I just realized? Remember I was telling you how we can buy like other components, not just the snap circuits, but those other ones? This is showing us how we could make our own organ out of just components that we buy. What if you made an organ like that out of components? Like an instrument, and then you sold that?
Well, I want to make a circuit like that.
What kind of circuit would you like to make?
Well, that has P1, P2, P3, P4, P5.
Yeah, we don't know what those P's are, do we?
P6, P7, P8.
Yeah, we'll have to look that up.
Why are there a bunch of P's?
I'm not sure. It doesn't say on here exactly what they are. It just says
Let's see it down.
the trimmers, P1 up to P8, adjust the pitch of each tone. So I'm thinking they're like keys because it says they adjust the pitch.
So
It says the tones can drastically...
Let's do that one.
Huh? Do it? It's the same one.
I just want to see about
Look, here's the circuit board. Yeah, see, these are keys that you would press like on a piano or an organ.
Let's do it.
Let's do it? Okay.
So, hey. Why does that say T2, T1, and T3?
What do you think those... Oh, we already talked about it, but what are those?
Well, they should be transformers.
Why do you say they should be transformers?
They have T's in them. T3, T.
But what else has a T?
Transform.
Yeah, transformer. What else?
Clarinet.
Huh? Oh, yeah, clarinet does have a T. But what else has a T at the beginning? That's a component.
Mic.
Remember we were talking about that symbol is not a transformer symbol. This symbol right here is not a transformer symbol. What is it? I know it's confusing. It's confusing because T1 on your snap circuits, T1 is what?
A transformer.
Right. So that's why you're thinking it's a it's a transformer. But the symbol itself, like we were talking about earlier, is a transistor symbol. So on this circuit diagram, T1, T2, and T3, see how they're all the same? Those are all transistors. You see that? So that means when electricity comes in, electricity has to also come in here to let the electricity keep going where that arrow is. That's what a transistor does. It has like a voltage gate that controls the flow of the electricity. So it's kind of like a switch that you don't push the switch, you control it with voltage. Right? Let's see if there's any other diagrams. Here's one. What do we see here? Let's take a look. Here we go. What is this?
A battery.
Oops. Gotta pop up.
That's a battery.
What's the voltage?
9
what?
9 volts.
Now, this looks similar to a battery symbol, but what is that?
A capacitor, C1.
Yeah.
And then that's U1.
Do you see any diodes?
No, one over there.
Yep. What kind of a diode?
A light emitting.
Do you see any resistors?
One.
There's
No.
one. Where else? That's right.
And that one.
That's right. Let's see what else we got here.
Come.
Huh.
Let's do that
You
one.
like that one?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Wow. Man, look at that guy. That's a lot there.
What is this F? F. What's
I
F?
don't know what that F is.
Let's just go to another one that we can see the numbers.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here, sit up. Can you sit up more? Because it's falling over. There we go. Here's a good... That one's got a lot of stuff on it. And it's pretty clear. No, I can't really click it. But can you see it?
Why does that say 10? K.
What do you think that might be?
Resistor?
Yeah, because that one has the same symbol. That's got an R1. What's the capacitance on that one?
Capacitance. You said capacitance.
Yeah. Oh. What should I have said?
Resistance.
Yeah, I don't know why I said capacitance. I was thinking about capacitors. I think I was looking over. I don't know. I just misspoke. That was like a little glitch. What's the resistance on that guy?
47,000.
What does that K mean? Yeah. Do you see any capacitors on there, you think?
One. Wait.
Yeah. What do you think the capacitance
Wait,
is?
why that's a 0 volt?
Because I think it's saying it starts with 9 volts. Once it goes through the circuit and comes out the other side, it's at 0 volts.
Why?
Because when you have a circuit, it uses up all the voltage if you have everything set up.
What was that?
That says 555 timer. I've never seen that before. It's some kind of timer, I guess. These look like some kind of capacitors, right? What is that?
100
What's that symbol, do you know?
new.
Hmm?
Micro.
Micro, you're right.
Micro.
And what do you think this little triangle thing is?
I think it's a diode.
A diode? Yeah, I think you're right.
A light emitting diode.
Yeah.
I do
Very-
that one.
I think it's the same. Well, it's not exactly the same. It's similar. Very similar. It's very, very similar to that, but not exactly the same. This is really cool stuff. Oh, look. It says, what is that word?
Adjustable.
Adjustable.
Let's do it.
What does it say? Adjustable?
Timer circuit.
Wow.
Let's make it
You want to see that one?
Mm-hmm.
I wish I could zoom in on it, but it won't let me. But these are like all kinds of projects that you can build.
Like
Oh, look, it even gives us an example of the different symbols they use. So we've got this, when it says cell, that means the same thing as battery. Switch, we know that. That symbol is?
resistor,
That symbol is?
LED,
This says wires joined, so it's just a joint, like a junction. And that says?
capacitor.
Very cool. So there's that diagram.
Could we build a circuit? That's one that we could do.
Well, the only reason we couldn't build that specific one with ours is because we don't have those exact, like we don't have a resistor that's 33,000. You see what I mean? Like we'd have to get specific components for that circuit. You see what I mean? Because the ones we have a very limited selection.
Let's go up.
Just scroll up. You know how to scroll up? Let's scroll it, yeah. I think mine's reversed from, yeah. There you go, you got it. I think it doesn't go up anymore. Yeah, it's not going to go up anymore.
I want to see some more circuits that we could build.
Okay, hold on. I'll help you with that.